Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important lecture, a vice screw. And this part is a drawing here, and this part is a vice screw, and how to this body is designed here. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and at first one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, and you can see here on the screen, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all dimension is, you can see here on the screen, is a right view. Then right plane is select here is better, and this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension is inches, is a very important. Okay, and drawing this body. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is drawing here. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student, is very important. And all parts is one by one, and all process is learn here. This body is designed, and how to this body is designed. Okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, one by one. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is designed. At first going to this part, and the part is a select here this, and some setting is very important. And at first going to this is a unit, each setting here is inch pound second. Okay, IPS. And going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, and okay, select this is a right plane is a select here, and this cutout is circle is this, and this is a top view is top plane is select here. Okay, and all geometry value is you can see here, this is a full length is 6.25 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a thread cutout is a 29-degree angle, and 0.08 and 0.06. Okay, one by one all point is a learn here. Okay, a drawing a select a plane is a right plane. Select a line. A line is a drawing a sketch a geometry, or drawing a part. Then all one by one is value here. Well, this value is a define here. Okay, and select this. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a drawing here this. Okay, select here. Okay, and drawing this body, and this is a connect to this to this. Okay, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a this, and okay, and this value is a okay, and this is a this. Okay, and at first select a full distance is a drawing here this, a full is a 6.25 inch. 6.25 inch is perfect. Okay, this is a full, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.81 inch. Okay, this length is a 0. Okay, 38 inch. 38 inch is a this. Okay, and some is a drag here this. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing some drag here this is a drag this. Okay, and again this is a dimension is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a dimension is a 0.25 inch, and also this is a length is a 0.25 inch. Okay, all is better. And but very important relation, select this line and press a control button and select this line, and this line is a going to this is a collinear, is perfect relation, and this relation is very important. Okay, and this line is some drag here. Okay, and again select this is a 0.25 inch. Okay, and again this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.19 inch, is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a this, and again this distance is a 3.94 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.34 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here, and select this is a 0.38 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch, and this is distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 3.94 inch, and this is a use this 0.19, this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 0.13 inch, and all is a this, and this profile is drawing here this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 0.34 inch. All is perfect. Okay, all value is mentioned here one by one. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay guys, all point is all dimension is perfect drawing here, and all is fully defined, means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and going to this okay, revolve boss base is apply here, and this base is select here, and okay, this is a perfect. And going to material is select here, and material is a nickel, and going to this appearance, and this is a metal, and going to this nickel, and this is a perfect. Okay, and thread is apply here, and select this face sketch, select upper line and convert entities. Okay, and going to this curve, and this is a helix and a spiral. Okay, and helix and a spiral is a perfect, and going to this is a height and pitch is select here. Okay, and constant pitch is perfect, and height is a 4.025 inch, and pitch is a 0.125 inch, and direction is reverse because direction is this, and reverse direction is better, and start angle is 90 degree and clockwise. All is perfect and okay. Okay, and this is a path is a drawing here, and profile is a going to this right plane sketch normal. Okay, and profile is drawing here, and select this profile is drawing here. This is a some line is a okay, this is a this line is a horizontal. Okay, a center line is a select here, this midpoint to this, and this is a vertical. Okay, and drawing a some angle is this is a 29 degree. Okay, and this profile length is a 0.08, and height is this is a height is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and angle is this, and this profile is a perfect because this is a profile is drawing here. This angle is 29 degree and 0.08 inch and 0.06 inch is this. Okay, all is perfect. And going to this, okay, exit, and going to this sweep cut is apply here, and this is a automatic is a profile is select here, and path is just select this. Okay, this is a select this body, and okay, preview is showing here. Okay, and going to this, click here. Okay, and this thread is a cutout is perfect. Okay, some little time is a counting here, and okay, all process is learn here. Okay, this is a perfect cutout, and this line is a hide. Okay, Control Z is okay, and this line is select here, and this hide. Okay, okay, all point is perfect. Okay, okay, and next is a cutout is a select here this. This cutout is a use a top plane, and this is a the fillet is 0.6, and this use a circle is cutout. Okay, select a top plane, sketch normal. Okay, drawing a center line. Okay, drawing a center line is this. Okay, okay, vertical line is automatic select here, draw a center. Okay, this diameter is a 0.34 inch, and this length is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.34 inch, and this distance is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and okay, this is a fully defined, and going to this extrude cut, and this is a through all both side is cutting here, and okay, okay. Some little time is spent here, some little time is because all is counting this. Okay, this body is drawing in this body. Okay, and use a fillet. A fillet is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this fillet is a 0.06 inch, and this is a select here this and this. Okay, and some little time is spent here because all thread is a cutting here, all process is learn here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a shape is a layer and some color, and color is a this is better. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking perfect, and this is a color, and going to this, and okay, 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 all is perfect and correct is drawing here, and all is perfect, and isometric view is this. Okay, and guys, all point is learn here one by one, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and this part is a drawing here. This is a end plate design, and this plate is a end plate, and this is a dry plate. Okay, this is a dry plate and this is a end plate, and this lecture is a drawing a end plate design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and also this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all three view is you can see here on the screen, and all geometry line and all dimension is clearly learn here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and how to this body is a this is a right letter, and how to all process is learn here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this body is drawing here, and how to this body is drawing in a Solidworks software, and this use a this is a very nice looking here, and material is apply here also brush. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing of this body. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this body is drawing. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is select here, and some settings very important. Plain white, and going to this option, and option is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is a front plane is better, is drawing this body. Okay, at first drawing this sketch is drawing here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. All dimension is a perfect drawing here. Okay, at first select this is a 29.5 this distance, and this is a 42 is this distance, and 16.68, and this two circle is drawing here. This is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this is a circle is a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, select a front plane drawing this body. At first this construction line is drawing here. Okay, at first use a center point arc, and at first center point arc, click this origin, draw a curve. Okay, this is a curve is a drawing here. Okay, and to end point is a select here, press a control button, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 50. Okay, radius is 50. Drag us. Okay, this is a drawing a at first drawing a circle, and this circle is a diameter is a 10 point. Okay, this drawing a circle is diameter is 10.2 millimeter. This is a 10.2 millimeter. 10.2 millimeter. This and this point 2, this is a drawing a 29 millimeter, 29.5 millimeter. Okay, okay, and okay, this is a 29.5 millimeter. Again select a mirror, and this circle is select here, this plane. Okay, and distance between this two circle distance is a 58 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a drag here. Okay, okay, this okay, and next is a drawing here. Okay, and drawing this okay, select a line. Okay, at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is a drawing here this and draw this and select okay, this and this point, and press a control button and select this point is a this is a merge. Okay, and this diameter, this define a dimension is a 11 millimeter, because this is radius is 11 millimeter is perfect, and 16 millimeter is also used here, but this is a radius is 11 millimeter. And some important points, this line is a drag here, this and this 2 point is a relation is a horizontal. Okay, and this is a very important relation, and a line is select here, draw a some line is a drag here or horizontal, and some incline, and this is a and connect to this. Okay, this is a very important, and this relation is a this distance between is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a 42 millimeter is this use here, and 29.5 millimeter is also, and distance between a two circle center is a 58 millimeter is perfect, and this big circle is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also use here, this okay, and okay, and some important point, this this is a okay, and a fillet is used here. A fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and use this and also a 5 millimeter is fillet is used here, this. Okay, okay, and both fillet is very important. Okay, okay, this is very nice looking here, and all. Okay, this fillet is used here, this is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter is this radius is 5 millimeter is this fillet is used here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and select a mirror is a select this, and also one by one is all is select here. Okay, and select a mirror about this line, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, but this is a line is some extra line, this is a trim, and select this. Okay, and okay, but all point is connect here, and also use a mirror about this. okay, not again mirror about this is a select this okay, about this line is horizontal line and all is a perfect. Okay, all is connect here, all is this is a connect and perfect use here. Okay, 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 all geometry line is looking perfect and correct, and going to this extrude boss base, and this thickness is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this 12 millimeter is perfect and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again drawing a construction. This is a construction line is a this line is very important. Drawing a sum. Okay, draw a circle. Circle is a this above a origin, and draw a big circle, and this diameter is a 41.7 millimeter is perfect, and this point to this is a 16.68 millimeter. Okay, okay, this a big circle drawing this a big circle is drawing here. This distance between origin point to this center point is a 16.68. This diameter is a 41.7 millimeter. Okay, this is body is a mirror, and select about this about this. Okay, and okay, and connect to a center point. This is a this point to this and again this point to this. Okay, okay, all portion extra portion is delete here. Power trim is used here. Select this okay, and all is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss base. This thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. This is a 2.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, okay, and okay, okay, and again select this face, sketch normal. Okay, okay, this face, sketch normal. Draw a center line. A center line connect to this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, okay, circle is a drawing here. This and this is a 10 millimeter diameter. Okay, and line is a connect here, connect to this point. This to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here. This diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 10 millimeter, and this thickness, this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some use trim entities, and this is a select trim closest, and this is a both is a trimmed. Okay, and all point is perfect, and this use a extrude. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also sketch and use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 2.5 is perfect. Okay, and okay, but this is a this face sketch or normal, or drawing a center line is this. Okay, this is this. Again select a mirror is a this. Cut out is a select here. Okay, this is a construction line. This is use a mirror is select this. Okay, this cutout is a okay, but some delete here. Okay, and this is a, and this use a edit and normal, and draw a center line is this. Okay, and select a mirror is all select here one by one. Okay, and select about this. Okay, and click OK, and OK. This cutout is a perfect and correct. And next is of this face sketch normal, drawing a circle is a this, and one by one is all center point. Draw a circle is big circle is drawing here, and this dimension is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and this is a this use a 16 millimeter is cut out, and this use a 0.5 millimeter is cut out. Thickness is 0.5, and all four select a, press a control button, and all four is a select here, and the relation is a equal. Okay, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this use a fillet, and fillet is a select a 1 millimeter, and all one by one is a select here. Okay, and this is a select here, and this and also this, and this face and this face, and also select this, and also select this. Okay, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And next is this face sketch normal, drawing a sum, write a letter, and center line is a drawing here. A center line is this drawing here, and again center line is a drawing here these two. This this line is this okay, big line. Okay, and this line select text and write a letter. Letter is this AHM 425 40. Okay, AHM 4025, and this use a middle, and middle is a perfect, and okay. Again select this line and text, write a letter. Letter is a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK, and OK, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a 2 millimeter is better, and this thickness is 2 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, this okay, this some color is used here. This color is a black color. Okay, because this you can say here a dark. And last is a drawing this face normal. Use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this hole, and drill size, and a standard is ISO, and size is a 4 millimeter, diameter is 4. This is a diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this is a blind user, and this thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and select a position, and position is a this and this. Okay, and some dimension is used here. This point to this is a 45 millimeter. Okay, and again select this point to this is a 45 millimeter is this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and OK. Okay, all, and use a color, and color is going to appearance metal, and going to brush, and select OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and all point is learned here easily and clearly. And okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.